Are you thinking about going under the knife? There is a good chance that you may be. Why? Because cosmetic surgery is increasing in popularity. Many men and women find it to be a relatively easy way to look their best. While this is true in most cases, it is important to know that there are dangers and risks that are associated with cosmetic surgery. As important as it is to hear that there are dangers and risks associated with cosmetic surgery, that isn't enough to hear. For you to make a well-informed decision, you must also know exactly what those dangers are. Doing so will better allow you to weigh the pros and cons of undergoing cosmetic surgery. The biggest risk or danger associated with cosmetic surgery is that of pain and discomfort. While not all cosmetic surgery procedures do result in pain and discomfort, a large number of them do. While your pain and discomfort may be able to be treated with over-the-counter pain medicine or an ice pack, it may cut into your daily activities. In fact, the pain may be enough that it could keep you out of work for a couple of days. Aside from having a small amount of pain and discomfort, there are other side effects to cosmetic surgery. The side effects will depend on the procedure that you have. With that said, another common side effect of cosmetic surgery is that of skin irritation. Your skin will likely be red and it may even feel a little bit itchy. Depending on where on the body your cosmetic surgery was performed, like on your face, you may want to stay indoors or at home for at least a day or two. Another danger of cosmetic surgery is the chance that complications may arise. This risk is one that many do not necessarily think about because complications are actually quite rare. With that said, it is important to know that they do occur. If you will be given anesthesia and if you know that you are allergic to it or have had reactions to the drug, be sure to tell your surgeon immediately and before the procedure begins. Another risk that you are taking, when undergoing cosmetic surgery, is that the results may not be what you had hoped for. In fact, every so often you hear reports on the news about how a cosmetic surgeon messed up a patient's procedure, often leaving them worse than they were when they went in for surgery. To reduce the chances of this happening, you will want to be sure that you take the time to find the best cosmetic surgeon or the best cosmetic surgery center in your area. Look for affordable rates, satisfied patients, and a strong surgical background. In keeping with not getting the results that you had hoped for, it is important to know that you may be stuck with your decision. There are some cosmetic surgery procedures that are difficult, if not impossible to reverse. That is why it is important to make sure that you are sure about your decision to go under the knife. That is also why it is important for you to find a qualified surgeon or surgical center. It is also important to examine the impact that cosmetic surgery can have on your wallet. There are very few cosmetic procedures that are covered by health insurance. For that reason, you may find yourself responsible for the full cost of your surgery. If that occurs, do you have a plan to come up with the money? As you can see from being highlighted above, there are a number of dangers and risks that are associated with cosmetic surgery. With that said, it doesn't mean that you should avoid cosmetic surgery at all costs. Instead, it means that you should use your best judgment. Instead of just finding a cheap cosmetic surgeon, find one that has affordable rates, amazing qualifications, and a lot of satisfied patients. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment down below what you think about this video.